Hey guys, welcome back to DS Technology. Today I am going to talk about QR code and barcode scanner. So let's talk about the introduction. QR code stands for quick response. It is used to store the information in encrypted form, so no one can read the information easily. To see the information, you have to install an Android app or any application which help you to decode the information from QR code. Also, it is a good way to share your information through the pictures. So in this tutorial, I am going to show you how can you make your own QR code scanner using OpenCV and Python. If you are really interested in computer vision and machine learning, check out our channel. I have already made a playlist on image processing from basic, so you can easily understand the full concept of image processing. So before going into implementation part, we have to install a library, so we can use this library to decode the QR code. So let's install the library first. So open your command prompt. So in your command prompt, you have to type pip install PyZBar. This is the library we are going to use in this tutorial to decode the QR code. So in this way you can install this library pip install PyZBar. So wait a minute. As you can see, requirement is already satisfied. It means that I have already installed this library. So in this way you can install this library. If you have any problem during the installation of this library, feel free to comment. I will try to reply your comment. So let's talk about how we can create our own QR code. So if you want to create your own QR code in which you want to store your information like your website link, company name, logo or any kinds of data, so you can create your own QR code from this site. So for this tutorial I have already generated QR code from this site. So if you want to generate, I will give you the link in the description, so you can store any kinds of data for your testing purpose or for your educational purpose. So let's talk about the implementation part. So open your text editor. Here I am using PyCharm. You can use any text editor. So open your text editor. So first of all we have to import our library. So let's import our library, that is the PyZBar. So from PyZBar import PyZBar. Also we have to import CV2 so that we can read the image. So I am going to read here image in which QR code is. So for the read the image, we have a method, that is the image cv2.imread. So I am going to show the image having the QR code. So let's show the image. Now we have to apply the wait key. So let's run the code. So as you can see, this is the image I am going to use in this tutorial. In this image you have seen a QR code here. This is a QR code. So in this QR code I have already stored my information like my website name. So for this tutorial I am going to use this image and QR code. So you can generate your own QR code. So for this we have to use our library, that is the PyZBar. So let's any variable at result equal to PyZBar.decode. So this decode function return three things. The first one is the type of data, and second one is the data, and the third one is the location of a data. So I am not going to use here type, I am going to use here the which type of data or which data and the location, so that we can draw rectangle on the QR code. So let's Now I am going to extract the data and the location from the image. So for this, let us create a for loop. So for C in result, so I am going to extract data. So let's store in the information info variable. So C dot data. If we want to extract the data, we have to provide the dot data. So I am going to here comment down so that you can understand this. So C dot data. Now we have to convert this data into the string form so that we can easily understand this. So for this, we have to use decode, and in this we have to pass UTF-8. So in this way we can decode the data into the string format. Now I am going to extract the area of the QR code. So for this, I am going to take a x, y, z equal to c dot rect. This function return the fourth tuple. So with the help of this, we can draw rectangular on the QR code of the image. So we have a fourth thing, that is the x coordinate and y coordinate and height and width of the QR code. So I am going to draw rectangular. So cv2 dot rectangular, and we have to pass the x coordinate, y coordinate, and we have to give the height and width of the QR code, and also we have to provide the color. So I am going to use here any kind, you can provide any kinds of color. Now I am going to show the text that is stored in the QR code in the image. So for this, we have to use the cv2.put text. If you have no idea about the cv2.put or cv2.rectangular, I have already made a playlist. You can check out this from the channel. Also I will provide the link in the description. So we have to apply cv.put text. Now we have to give the image and the coordinate, x coordinate and y coordinate, and also we have to provide the text. So which text we want to display on the image. Now we have already shown the image, so we have to run the code. So let's run and see the output. So let's wait a minute, it will take us some time. So as you can see here, the QR code is detected and a rectangular of red color is also drawn in the QR code, and you can also see the text inside the QR code which is written offside of the QR code. You can see here the text is not clear due to the string format, so you can provide any kinds of font to see the text or data from the QR code. So in this way, you can make your own QR code scanner using OpenCV and Python. If you have any problem related to this tutorial, comment your problem. I will reply your comment. And I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, please share with your friends. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for the more updates.